Hi guys, we don't shop we don't shop the food. Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine you all. We are celebrating yours. Come on, food shop. That's say hi. Look at your mouth. Maybe na alacha. What's me gacha? Obere. Ini emekwa na buru akwụkwọ buru shop akwụkwọ na. We have come here before. This place is so beautiful. And we are back again to celebrate Valentine. We came here last year, 27th of December. And we are here again. A lot of people are here. Valentine things, somehow. This place is so beautiful. And you go like. And you go. We are giving nigga.
We are going.
Yes, so
We are cute. We have so much fun with a lot of food. And this is the packet de cagare.
hi guys. So I am back home. Yeah. I didn't film much today because we have went there before. It has not been long that we've been there. Like we went there on December 26th or 27th. I can't remember. The video is up on my channel. Just scroll down, you will see it. So that's why I did not film much, And we also sat outside as we did the first time we went there. I didn't go inside, but I promise you guys the next time I will go there, I will film inside because that place is so beautiful. Like everything is given, the decoration, the food, everything. So we are back home. If you want to see how that place is looking, just scroll down my channel. My Christmas outing with my family, you see it there. Happy Valentine to you or how you celebrating yours. Are you team home or team we are outside? Like we are outside. Hope your Valentine went well. Yeah, show love, share love, bond with family, everything. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow because my tomorrow is going to be a hectic day for me tomorrow. I don't know how I'm going to manage everything I'll do tomorrow, but anyway, I might film it or not, I don't know, but we'll then see you.
Several days later.
Hi guys, so my Nigerian food just arrived and I've been unboxing. I've been so busy. So everything here, oh God, like everything here is giving Nigerian vibe. These are crayfish, my stockfish. This is overflow. Uziza, chicken cubes, thyme, another stockfish. This is bitter cola. Bitter cola. Fish. Also, this is plantain. My fresh ora, like I've missed ora so much. I've missed ora soup. So I'm making this soup tomorrow. You guys will see the video. And this is Obaka dried one. Obaka scent leaf. Oda. Oda, yeah. What is this? Is red pepper, dried one. Cameroon pepper. curry, thyme, attachments, wool for our hair. This is a bag of onugbu, dried onugbu. And also we have we have egusi here. This is one pint of egusi. This is my red oil. I've not opened it. This is ogiri. Authentic ogiri. I'll use it and make this or her soup or more. It's show. Okay, this is our fish, carton of fish. Can you come closer and show them?
Don't worry. I'll see what you did.
Thailand caught fish, cutlets. I'll be waiting. This is it. This is another one. This is mangara. Mangara bunch yellow. Hey, what they got? I don't know. It's like it's finished though. Like, these people price don't too much. This is so poor can't wait. Prawn, dried prawn. Okporo, I don't know. So I also bought clipper for, cutting hair. And I have spices here. Good for your pepper soup. Good for your pepper soup. This too, good for your pepper soup. This is chicken flavor. Nothing again. Then uziza seed. Yeah, take likes for watching. See you on my next video. Hey, show. Bye.